Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this beauty light mask. This one here is a red light therapy mask. It offers 7 colors. These are LED. They are for your face, neck, and you can do this at home. Alright, so right here we got our beauty mask. This is an LED beauty mask where you can restore your beauty. 7 LED colors for different functions of your skin. It is 100% UV free, no harmful UV rays, and no recovery time after treatment. It is not invasive. This is game-changing beauty innovations without invasive treatments. It has 150 LEDs, high-intensity LEDs, professional level treatment. You get these little things right here which trigger points on your face. They are chemical free treatment. Use it without any skincare products. So you have red light, blue light, green light, purple light, yellow, crayon, and white. So this is the instructions manual. It says oil control, freckle removal and brightening, shrink pores, cover face and neck, eliminating nose redness. So they have 7 different colors for different skin types. Then you have reduce of pores. So right here on this side, it basically gives you what each color does. No matter what kind of skin type or color you use, it does help with calming skin, helps with anti-aging, give you some more pigmentations, clearing up if you have any blackheads or if you're breaking out. So here is some outstanding features: 7 LED lights with different functions. They're not invasive, 100% UV free, so you don't have to worry about having any UV issues. So they have LED light connection locks. These ones here give light pulse to your face, kind of like the other handheld ones. If they are uncomfortable, you do not have to use these. I felt that these ones are a little bit more uncomfortable, even though that the mask needs to be held up laying down. So when you stand up, you want to hold it and don't put it around your face with the strap because it is a little bit heavy. It does have a remote control. Unfortunately, it is not portable. It does have to be plugged in, but with the weight of the mask, you should be laying down and letting it just kind of sit on you. As you can see that this is a hard plastic. This is the neck part, so it just clips onto the bottom of the face. It has like a little clip. You just pop it in there like that and it stays right there in place. Each one has its own connection. It is a USB. As you can see, here is the face strap, and then you have all these LEDs. They have the light guards, and you have some more LEDs here at the bottom of your neck. Both of them do have a USB that connects into the remote control, which plugs into the wall. It is not portable friendly. This one does have to be plugged in at all times or it will not work. So here is your standard remote control. You have microabrasions, you have flicker, color, time up and time down. You have the brightness, so you can go super bright, you can go really light bright. You have your USB ports right here, and then you have the power plug just right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it and turn it on so you can see how really nice this one is. The only issue that I have, it does weigh a bit, so having it around your face with the strap standing up, it is a bit heavy on your face as well as laying down, but you can work with it without having the strap on. You can hold it up with your hand or lay down and just kind of let it sit there. So right now I'm just going to plug in the face part. It does have 2 USB ports, one for the face and then one for the neck. The neck makes it a little bit more heavier, so I mean if you're going to use the neck part, I would recommend laying down sort of at a angle so it's not all laying on you. So the remote control is to switch colors. It only takes about 15 minutes a day. It's super easy to use. There are 7 different colors of light to suit your everyday needs. So we got the red one. This one helps promote collagen. Then we have blue, green, crayon, purple, yellow, and white. So it also does the strobe effect. So basically what that means is it goes throughout each color. So to get an all even good, I would just recommend doing each color about 10 minutes a piece, so that way you'll have all the functions. Here's the purple, then you have the, which kind of looks like a pink, and then you've got the crayon. You can go brighter on this one. There's the lightest, and then it's going up brighter. It does probably about 9 levels of brightness on each color. This is non-heated LED bulbs that will not damage the skin or surface. The 192 LED lamp beads are used for strong light and wide coverage. It is safe to feel the superior effects of this mask. So you can see that this is a strobe effect. It gives you basically a mix of all the colors. I like the fact that it does cover very well. You got your neck and your whole entire face. The only thing that I had issues with it is a little bit heavy, but as long as you don't put the strap around and when you lay down, it should be fine. You can see that it does change with all these different colors. The remote control controls the intensity, the timer, so it does come with a timer. So I would set, if you're going to do each one of them, I would do 10 minutes each. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to put it on. And then I'm going to show the different lights when I have this mask on. So now that I have the mask on, I actually do have the strap. It feels a little bit heavy, but not as heavy as if you put the neck piece. So it is recommended you laying down flat or kind of at an angle. So you got your pink, your crayon, you've got your white. So it goes all the way up to your ears and it covers your whole entire forehead, even to your chin. You got your green, you got your blue, you got your yellow, pink, purple. So in here is the neck one. It just clips right on in there. This one makes it a little bit heavier, so I'm kind of holding it up because it does pull it down a bit. That is why it is recommended that you lay down on an angle so it's not so heavy. I would say that this is a really nice light. It does cover it all. I do have the hand one, but this one here covers it all without actually having to move around your face. It is a little bit heavier with the neck thing, so I would definitely recommend when you're doing this, make sure you lay down at an angle. That way the whole weight is not literally laying on you. And don't use the head strap because it makes it a little bit tighter around you. So if you're looking for a nice beauty mask that offers so many lights for different skin types, I would highly recommend checking this one out.